I'm thirsty. I think I should get myself a soda from the vending machine. Hey, why won't this money go into the vending? Want my Coke? I'll have to try again. Are you kidding me? I want my freaking Coke. I'll try one more time, and I'll break the vending machine if it does that again. Finally, vending machine is working. Oh come on, why won't this vending machine give me my freaking Coke? I want my Coke, I want my Coke. Come on, give me my Coke, give my freaking Coke, you stupid vending machine. That's it, I'm breaking this stupid vending machine. Yes, finally, I finally got my Coke. Serves that stupid vending machine right for refusing to give me my Coke.
Man, I think I'm a little thirsty. I'll get a drink from Aero the acrobat. What happened to the vending machine? Why is it broken?
I broke the vending machine because it refused to give me my Coke.
What? Oh my God, Aero the acrobat, I can't believe you did that. That's big. Go home now while I call your mascots. Hello, it's this Sonic, Tails, Knuckles, Mario, and Luigi. Good, you will not believe he broken the vending machine. Can you please ground him? That mean goodbye.
Aero the acrobat, we cannot believe you broke the vending machine. You know that can get you arrested.
But Sonic, Tails, Knuckles, Mario, and Luigi, the vending machine, refused to give my Coke. I'm sorry.
It does not matter, and your apology is denied.
That's it. You are grounded.
And
for a week.
While you're grounded, that means you will have a naughty list for this year.
Now, go upstairs to your room right now, or else I will turns into a bat.